Meaning of fiefdom.
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 Fiefdom. A fiefdom is a territory or domain that is controlled by a particular person or group, typically in a feudal society. In modern usage, it often refers to a workplace or organization where a powerful individual or clique has complete control over others. This can lead to a culture of favoritism, where the leader's interests and agenda take precedence over those of the group as a whole. Such environments can be toxic and stifle innovation and growth, leading to high turnover rates and low morale among employees.